The Lost Book of Remedies Review. Are these herbal remedies really worth it? Hey, my name is David and I feel shy to speak in the mic. So, I used this awesome robotic voice to create this unbiased review, which will help you to choose the right product. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to Reviews for Life channel for such useful and honest review videos. Before proceeding to the review, if you decide to buy the Lost Book of Remedies, check out the link in the description of this video to get it at a special discounted price. First, let's know, what is the Lost Book of Remedies guide all about? The Lost Book of Remedies is the online guide that has a number herbal remedies to get rid of your health issues. Claude Davis and Nicole Apelian are the authors of this special herbal remedy program that consists of different varieties of herbs and plants. As per the official site, this ebook helps in healing the ailments naturally and also to preserve the traditional practices. All the ingredients mentioned can be grown in the backyard and can be used at times of preparation. How the Lost Book of Remedies works. The Lost Book of Remedies helps to improve the health condition with the natural traditional health cure. It offers several benefits for health and it can replace the modern medical kit as reported in its site. The program might help you to treat the ailments from root and gives better results. Since the treatment is natural, there is no side effects as reported. As per the author, it works in short span and also contains remedies for severe disease like cancer and tumor. It is completely natural and you can find ingredients like angry bear paw, red beak powder, berries of the hawthorn tree and many others. Also, the official site also specifies that the incredible program will teach you the methodology of growing the herbs in your home. It may treat cut, wounds and pain naturally as reported. Also, the author claims that the program may support you with protection against hepatitis A, B and C and fight infections. You might learn how to prevent growth of disease and flush the toxins from your body. Components of the Lost Book of Remedies guide. The book is divided into different sections for the maximum convenience of users. 1. Natural Remedy Guide. This part of the book is the first part that describes users about the natural healing process. The information in this part of the book is pretty useful and valuable. Harvesting. The next part of the book explains to you about the different ways you can make use of a particular type of herbs. This part of the book explains users about how they can safely harvest different medicinal and herbal plants and then use it further. 2. Backyard Plant. This is one of the most amazing parts of the book as users will know about different interesting herbs and plants that can be easily found in their backyard. The book contains information about all those easily available weeds and plants that can be useful to you. 3. Medicinal Plant. This is one of the most important sections of the book and informs you about the healing properties of different types of medicinal plants. This book will help you in getting in-depth information about these medicinal plants and how the different components of plant can be beneficial for you. 4. Common Treatment. If you have someone in your family and friends who are ill, you can help them with your information received from this book. This section contains different recipes that have been passed from one generation to another. Thus, use any of these common treatments if you are suffering from any kind of health issue. When you buy the Lost Book of Remedies, the author of this incredible program offers a special bonus, Every Disaster Medicine Guidebook, that is for free of cost to enhance your health protection. How does the Lost Book of Remedies work? The book can act as a comprehensive resource for you. From informing you about different types of medicinal plants to providing you with information about different treatment plans, this book can work as a gem for you. The book contains crucial information about more than 200 plants and plant parts. The author has written this book in such a way that even a person with no prior information and knowledge in medicinal plants and herbs will be able to gain maximum knowledge from the book. The best part about this book is that it does not tell you what to do. Instead, to get the best results after using this book, you have to create custom concoctions that will target each and every ailment that you are suffering from. Claude Davis goes into the details of each and every herbs and plant mentioned in this book to make you aware of how you can use this book with maximum ease. The book teaches you how to use the plant, how to get maximum nutrients from each kern, and how to grow and harvest these herbs and plants. This book will enable you to understand how herbs and different plants interact with different parts of your body and how it helps in curing particular diseases. How the Lost Book of Remedies program is beneficial. There are a wide range of benefits of this ebook as mentioned. Some of its benefits are: 1. This program helps you to unlock the nature's magical power. 2. Might treat your health condition with herbs and plant extracts. 3. It supports your overall lifestyle as mentioned in the site. 4. You shall grow the remedial plants at home and save money spent for purchase. 5. It may optimize your health and improve it. 6. Helps to support blood sugar, pressure and arthritis. 7. It might help in preventing bleeding, inflammation and cognitive disabilities. 8. The remedies are 100% natural, tested and medically proven. 9. It can be easily accessible in smart device from wherever you are. 10. It helps to flush out the harmful free radicals and detoxify your body. 11. There is money-back guarantee to support your investment. Drawbacks of the Lost Book of Remedies. The only drawback I found is that it's available only in its official website for purchase and not in any stores or offline. The Lost Book of Remedies review. My final verdict. Overall, looking at different platforms and unlimited reviews by customers and users, it has been found that this is one of the best books you can get if you are interested in getting knowledge about traditional medicines and how to use them. The book will make you aware of how you can use the abundant resources provided by nature in the best way possible. This book and the treatment and theories presented in the book have been used by different people, and they have benefited from the book. The book is filled with numerous knowledgeable information, and you can surely use this book without worrying about any negative impact. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in description of this video to buy the Lost Book of Remedies at a limited time discounted price. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.